Obsidian magma koretate effect. Create a dramatic obsidian magma koretate effect in Pelab with a dark, luxurious cinematic appearance. Begin with a deep black background featuring subtle volcanic smoke and soft atmospheric haze. Is a bold, Java typography and filled letters with a glossy black obsidian texture, adding sharp metallic reflections along the edges. Create glowing orange red magma fines running through the tape, with the brigid yellow-white hegelights at the hottest points. Add realistic inner glow, outer glow, bevel, depth, and soft shadows to make the letters appear carved from volcanic rock. Stutter tiny sparks, embers, and glowing particles around the composition. Finesse with the contrast, saturation,